Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making pistachio and walnut cake pops. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the cake pop recipe. You will need a quarter cup of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, some milk, walnut and pistachio crushed garnish from the recipe, the pistachio and walnut leftover cake, white chocolate and chocolate choc chips.
وفرح بينا في وردة المرقوزة جوزة وكاوت جوزة عزيزتي كاوت جوزة الكل تكلش وفرح بينا في وردة المرقوزة. وفرح بينا في وردة المرقوزة جوزة وكاوت جوزة عزيزتي كاوت جوزة الكل تكلش وفرح بينا في وردة المرقوزة.
And this is how your cake pops should look like. Serve it at your next party and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!